Rapier GX Load Brake Switch Product Introduction. In this clip, we would like to introduce Rapier GX Load Brake Switch from Lucy Electric. The Rapier GX is a high-voltage disconnect switch. It allows manual installation and is controlled by SCADA FRTU to transfer information and remotely monitor from Control Center. The Rapier GX Load Brake Switch only functions to disconnect electricity and does not protect other equipment. As a result, additional protection equipment is highly recommended to install. The main components of Rapier GX Load Brake Switch are as follow. 1. Bushing at incoming and bushing at outgoing. The bushing is connected with SAC cable sized 185 mm. 2. Status indicator to indicate the status of Rapier GX Load Brake Switch, whether open, green, or close, red. 3. Gas pressure gauge to indicate the presence of SF6 gas in Rapier GX Load Brake Switch. 4. Handle to open or close load brake switch. 5. Lock free to protect the unintentional open or close at load brake switch. And these are all the components of Rapier GX Load Brake Switch from Lucy Electric, which will increase efficiency and reliability of your power transmission. For more information related to this product, you can visit worldwideweb.lucyelectric.com or contact our sales office in your region.